Hey, let me give you a tip real quick, alright? This is exhaust, as you can tell, what I'm saying. Alright, let me give you some light. This is super rusty. The O2 sensor goes over there. Guess what happened? It broke, right? It's in the same one. Okay, there you go. It broke. And you are like, nah, how am I gonna get it out? People are like, oh, make a cut over here, make a cut over here, and chisel it out, like counterclockwise, right? But let me give you a tip, you know what I'm saying? Because you know how I go. I go B-I-G, yiddy. So all you gotta do is heat it up with a torch, you know what I'm saying? I got a torch over there, you know what I'm saying? I heat it up like a red hot, you know what I'm saying? Lava, you know what I'm saying? Want to say it again? Then grab all this, made by Pittsburgh, and put it there, pop, and hit it with a hammer. This metal, whatever it is, the O2 sensor material, it's gonna seize, you know what I'm saying? So you're gonna dig a hole so this thing fit in there. So what you're gonna do is go in there. Alright, so you put it in there like that, I'm saying. Some people cut it like to almost hit the thread, I'm saying, but you don't want to do all that, I'm saying, because you might mess up the thread and then you're gonna have to retread it. So this is what I'm doing. Alright, now if you use a ratchet, this is a 1/2 inch. If you use a ratchet, you don't have enough, like you're gonna have to do it like this, but it's not enough, you know what I'm saying? So what you gotta do is put it in power 1, alright? Put your 1/2 inch impact and hit it like now. What's my name? What did I tell you, cut? Know what I'm saying? So if you have any problems, let me know what I'm saying. I'm here to make it real like that. Know what I'm saying? You know I go B-I-G. You need? Got this bastard right here. That's all you gotta do, alright? How to remove an O2 sensor that broke halfway. Know what I'm saying? In whatever, in the pipe, in the exhaust, you name it. I got you. Alright? I'm gonna leave it right there. Support the channel, that's all I'm asking. Alright? You don't have to pay nothing. Know what I'm saying? I give classes 101 how to do things, but all you gotta do is support the channel. Know what I'm saying? Support the channel by subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share the video. The feedback, put in the comment box. Let me know. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? Put in the comment box. Oh, the other way you can support the channel is by leaving the tip on the table. Leave the tip on the table, but if you can't do that, the other thing you can do is watch the whole ad. Watch the entire ad. Don't skip it. And that's how we go B-I-G. Yiddy. Let's get it. Estuvo por un. I'm out. Catch you in the next one. Good.